Sarwa is a Dubai-based digital wealth platform offering a mix of robo-advisory and self-directed investing tailored for UAE residents. It's regulated by the Financial Services Regulatory Authority or FSRA in Abu Dhabi Global Markets ADGM, which adds a layer of trust and investor protection. Users can choose between Sarwa Invest or the automated portfolios, Sarwa's Trade, US stocks, ETFs, and crypto, and Sarwa Save, interest on idle cash, making it versatile for both passive and active investors. So here are the pros. Regulated and secure under ADGM, like I said before. 500 dirhams bonus for new investors depositing $500. Offers halal investment options, clean mobile app and beginner-friendly interface, and access to US markets and crypto via Sarwa Trade. So the cons are limited global asset coverage compared to larger brokers, and some users report slow support and account miscalculations, and there are no advanced trading tools for professionals. So the verdict is that Sarwa is a strong choice for UAE-based investors seeking simplicity, automation, and regulatory safety. It's not safe, but for beginners and passive investors, it's one of the most accessible platforms in the region.